This is the Tamron 20 to 40 millimeter f2.8 for Sony. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see that everything that is included. So first things first, we've got some instruction, manual, warranty information, all that good stuff, which I'm sure you don't really care about for now. Let's put that aside and we'll go ahead and see what else we have in here. So as you can see, very tightly packed in there, but let's go ahead and get the lens out itself. And there we have it. So we've got the little lens hood, which is nice that they include that. And then we have the little cover right there and our back piece right here. So we'll take all of those pieces off and then we can have a close-up look at the lens itself. So it's at the 40 right now and there we go. So 20 and 40, you can see how it extends. Very, very cool. I like that. Pretty light feeling. It does have a USB-C port on there to update it. And just overall, it's a nice feeling lens. It is plastic, but it does feel like it's good quality. So that's your full unboxing.